Home Beer Brewery. Hello Brewtubers, and thanks for tuning in again on Home Beer Brewery's channel. This is a video about tasting my Szechuan pepper beer that I brewed with the 10 liter Spiegel Braumeister. These are the videos that I don't like to make because I'm not a beer reviewer, but I'm going to do my best. On the end of October 2020, 29th of October, I bottled the Szechuan Pepper Brew, an experimental beer with the Szechuan pepper. I don't know if you are familiar with this kind of pepper. Look it up, and I'm very looking forward to the result. I've put the bottle about 3 days ago in a refrigerator. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit cloudy, just a little bit. It's some chill haze, I guess. This is what I'm going to do. I have a clean glass. Let's open a bottle. I will show you the label. Szechuan pepper, bottled on the 29th of October this year, 2020. 42 IBUs, 7.5 ABC, and ABV on this one is about 5.3%. I can tell you, during the cooling process of this batch, I was very worried that I used too much Szechuan pepper in this 11 liter batch of wort. It's 2.4 grams if I'm correct, and the aroma coming off was very enormous. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it, grab myself an opener. I didn't prepare for that. Let's see what's inside. Camera focus on the bottle. Let's see if we hear a sis. That's a good sign. Carbonation going on. Come on, camera. Can you please focus? These are the small bottles. I also bottled some half liter bottles. Yeah, as I expected, it's a little bit hazy, of the chill haze, but a very light colored beer. It was a simple recipe with a simple grain bill, only two grain types, pale malt and carapils. I'm going to put the link in the more info section about the recipe. Appearance: light yellow with a nice white stable foamy head on it. Compact foam. I think there's some lacing already going on. Can you see? Wow. I can smell it from over here. It's very present. The Szechuan pepper has a very distinctive aroma to it. Look it up for yourself and maybe try the recipe. Let's dive in. Aroma fruity. The citra hop is coming right through it, but most of it's the Szechuan pepper. It's more of a floral aroma. Taste: The aroma is very sweet and it's almost like a candy. And I believe it's coming off the Szechuan pepper. Let's dive in. Nice and carbonated. Lacing going on. Going to stand here. Let's dive in, guys. Fruity, floral aroma taste. It's slightly bitter, 42 IBUs. Nice bitterness, and it's also sweet. So what can I say? Nice body to it, complex body. I really don't like to do beer reviews because I can't tell you and detect all the flavors in it. Very pleasant beer actually. This beer I'm going to make also in a 50-liter version, Spuitelbraumeister, I guess. This is a beer for the summer days, hot summer days, not for the autumn or winter that we are now. But I'm very happy with the result. Next time, less pepper, Szechuan pepper? I think not. The link is in the more info section. Try it yourself. It's an own created recipe. Only 2 types of hops, only 2 types of malts. And for the yeast I used US-05, Saville US-05. I'm very, very lucky that this one turned out really great. What can I say more? Just try it yourself. I did a second brew with the 10 liter Spuitelbraumeister, and that one is with the hot chili pepper out of my greenhouse and 40 milliliters of tequila. I posted part 1 of the brew day with the hot chili pepper already on YouTube on my channel, and I'm currently editing part 2 of the brew day, the bottling day and the conditioning, and there's going to be also a tasting video on my channel. I'm not going to call it a review, a beer review video, because I really suck at it. But I can tell you guys, this beer is phenomenal. I like it. Cheers for watching. Remember, nothing is better than a good homebrew, and speak to you all soon. Bye bye. It's a winner, Szechuan pepper.